Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking for PicWish app. You just click on search. Then here at PicWish, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then you come to next step here. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. You just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you when you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.